In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave an Asana team efficiently and with ease. Whether you're transitioning to a new project or just tidying up your workspace, it's essential to know how to manage your Asana account properly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Asana login page. You'll need to start by entering your email address associated with your Asana account. This ensures that you're accessing the correct account, as many people use multiple emails for different purposes. After typing in your email, go ahead and click on the button labeled Continue. In the following step, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is crucial, so make sure your password is strong and unique, something that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once you've entered your password, click on Login to access your Asana account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. From here, you want to navigate to your profile settings. You'll see your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, you'll notice an option labeled Settings. Clicking on this takes you to your account settings page. Pay attention to the options available here, as this is where you manage most aspects of your Asana account. Now, with the settings page open, look for the Account tab. It's within this section that you'll find any specific user settings you might need to adjust. Therefore, make sure you carefully review what's there as you prepare to make changes. Towards the bottom of your account settings, you will see a section titled Deactivation. This is where you can begin the process of removing yourself from the workspace. It's essential to understand that this action cannot be undone without the help of an administrator, so be certain of your decision before proceeding. In this section, you'll find the option to remove me from this workspace. Clicking on this option will initiate the process. You may be required to confirm your choice, which involves clicking a second time to confirm the removal. This is a safeguard to ensure that users do not accidentally remove themselves. Once you've confirmed, you will no longer be part of that specific workspace within Asana. It's important to note that removing yourself from a workspace does not delete your Asana account entirely. It simply removes your access to that particular team's projects and tasks. If you ever need to rejoin, you can reach out to a workspace administrator for assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to leave an Asana team. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.